Eastwood readers, we have some exciting news about the Eastwood Book Club.
It's time to announce the December Eastwood Book Club Book of the Month. Drum roll, please.
The book is Dogtown by Catherine Applegate and Jennifer Choldenko.
This is the same author who brought us the one and only Ivan, Otter, the Animorph series, and Wishtree.
We hope everybody enjoys the book and talks about it with staff and other students.
Be sure to watch announcements for book club related fun throughout the entire month.
Hello, Eastwood. We are Jingle, Jangle, and Jolly.
The holiday season is finally here. It's time to spread kindness and holiday cheer.
We have been sent from the North Pole to help you with your Grinch heart goal.
Each night after each student has gone, we will fly home to tell our friends all the kindness you have shown. Totally.
We have a few rules we all must follow so we can come back tomorrow. Please don't touch us. Our magic may flee, and then we won't be here to see all of the kindness there may be.
Look for us each day in the new way we will play. We may not say hey, but know our ears are listening anyway.
Be nice to your teachers, family, and friends because kindness is what we want in the end.
We hope you will choose to be kind, say please and thank you, or help a friend out of a bind.
Remember to be respectful, responsible, and kind, and a happy school is what you will find.